Ford F-150 regular cab short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Odometer in this truck reads about right at 44,000, believed to be original miles. There's no higher readings on the Carfax. Unfortunately, once a truck is a certain age, they do not record the miles on the title anymore. It's marked exempt, but judging by the engine bay and the interior on this truck, it would not surprise me if those are original miles at all. 302 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. So 302 automatic transmission. Let's take a little look at this front end. I want to point out a few things. We do have a little bit of paint peel up here, and then bumper has been pushed in. Tad bit down below, as you can see, grille nice shape. And paint has a nice shine to it. There's some imperfections as we go around it. I'll kind of point out. To me, I'd kind of consider this truck a survivor is what it comes across to me as. Take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be all kinds of them at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all these pics. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing, polished wheels, radial tires, and you can see solid above these wheel wells, down along the lower rockers, back to the cab corners, and really all the way to the rear of this truck. And again, paint has a nice shine to it, but you're going to find there's a few spots where it's touched up. Maybe a little dinger here or there. But again, overall, it's a solid truck. And I will pop the hood, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath there. I also wanted to make sure you've seen it with the side glass up, so you know it does have tinted windows. You're going to want to know your local and state laws as far as what percentage of darkness you can have or what percentage of window tint is legal. Coming around to the rear of it, take a look at the chrome rear bumper. Of course, trailering package with the receiver. Hitch there, as well as hook up for your lighting. Bed of the truck, not bad shape at all either. You're used to seeing these pretty beat up, not bad at all. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like these 80s Ford pickups, or maybe just into pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. As we take a look down this driver's side, and again, look around these wheel wells. Nice and solid, lower rockers. That cab corner once again. Dual tanks, as you can see. We'll also take this truck for a drive at the end of this video so you can see how it goes down the road. And I'll start it up here in a bit just so you can hear it run. Take a peek at that engine bay. Look how nice this interior is. Door panels, looking good. Seating surfaces, bench seat up front, of course. I have had the radio working, although the station identifier, the little LED lights or what have you, tough to see, but radio works. Just find the station you want. Wipers work. Washer works with the wipers. Take a look at the headliner. Good shape, but yeah, no major rips, tears, holes I've seen in that bench seat. Let's fire up the 302. There we go. And like I said, odometer reading about right at 40,000, 44,000, what, 3/10? Kind of see that. Top of the dash looking good. I don't know if you got to hear that radio.
Just keeps getting bigger and better.
So radio working. Sorry it's so dark with the doors closed and that window tint. And again, AC blows cold. Slip around to the back, so here, let's run. Door closes nicely. Leave the Exhaust was coming out this side. Let's slip over here. Sounds good. Let's go check out this engine bay. I'm going to show you nice and clean and tidy this is. Let me pause it a second. Let's get this hood popped. We'll check it out. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Here it is. At 302. And there'll be plenty of pictures of the engine bay in with the still pics too. And again, you can see how clean this is. There's lack of corrosion, grease, grime. Nice looking engine bay. Again, AC blows cold. Has been converted from the R12 to 134. See that EFI 5 liter. Smooth running. And of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. There you go. You don't see a lot of these short boxes in this kind of shape. 1989 F-150 regular cab short box. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1989 Ford F-150. Nice clean beige colored interior. This is an automatic on the column. We have AC that is blowing cool right now. Turn signal indicator is working. You might see a few little droplets on the windshield. It's just enough to show you that the wipers do work on this truck. Factory radio. FM also working. Oil pressure, a little over half. That looks good right there. Fuel gauge is showing a little over a quarter of a tank. Battery is charging above halfway on the gauge, and the temperature is about 1/3 of the way up, which is normal as well. Speedometer working. Cloth bench seat in this truck. We have some steering wheel controls for cruise. Let's test out the cruise. Cruise control does work. Fully functional on this F-150. A little bit of tint added to the top of the windshield. That's nice too. Easier on the eyes. Brakes smooth and brakes nice and straight. Power steering, so it is really easy to turn. Corners nicely. Doesn't lean much in the corner. About as much as you'd expect. Kick down working on that automatic transmission. Nice clean truck. Feels kind of like a low mile truck. Shifts are nice and firm. Definitely check it out. Look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.